Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and slowly exhale. Imagine yourself standing barefoot on a quiet beach. The sand beneath your feet is soft and cool, and a gentle breeze brushes against your skin. The ocean stretches endlessly before you. Its surface sparkling under the first rays of the rising sun. The horizon feels distant, mysterious, yet full of promise. This beach represents your life, a place where the waves of negativity can be released and transformed into the calm waters of positivity. As the waves gently roll in, let's begin our journey across this vast and magical ocean, where each ripple carries the power to transform your thoughts and manifest your dreams. You stand at the edge of the ocean holding onto a heavy bag filled with the weight of your negativity. Inside are your fears, doubts, and frustrations. Now, imagine yourself opening this bag and pulling out each thought one by one. As you hold it in your hand, the wind carries it away, dissolving it into the air. Repeat after me. I release the thoughts that no longer serve me. I let go of doubt, fear, and negativity. With every wave that washes over your feet, feel yourself growing lighter. The ocean gently pulls the heaviness away, leaving only calmness and clarity in its place. The bag is now empty, and you are ready to move forward. You step into a beautiful wooden boat that waits for you at the water's edge. As the boat begins to glide across the ocean, the air fills with warmth and serenity. In the distance, the water reflects moments of gratitude, small and large. You see the love of your family, the joy of laughter, the simple pleasures of a kind word or a peaceful moment. Breathe deeply and repeat silently after me. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. Gratitude opens my heart to endless possibilities. Feel the gratitude expanding within you like a soft, golden light, filling every corner of your being. The ocean around you responds, shimmering brighter with each grateful thought. You realize the power of focusing on what you already have, knowing it will attract even more into your life. Your boat gently touches the shore of a magical island. As you step onto the sand, you notice a small path leading to a glowing waterfall in the distance. This is the island of reframing, a place where challenges are transformed into opportunities. You think of a recent challenge, something that has felt overwhelming or frustrating. But as you walk closer to the waterfall, the water seems to whisper, every challenge is a chance to grow. Imagine stepping under the waterfall. Its cool, refreshing water washes over you. clearing away fear and doubt. In their place, you feel a deep sense of resilience and clarity. Repeat silently after me. I have the power to see challenges as opportunities. Every obstacle I face helps me grow stronger. The waterfall sparkles like liquid light, filling you with courage and determination. You step out, feeling lighter and more empowered than ever before. You find yourself lying on a gentle hill, looking up at the endless sky. The clouds part, revealing a dazzling display of stars that shimmer even in daylight. These stars begin to form pictures, visions of your deepest dreams. What do you see? Is it a life filled with love and laughter? A career that fills you with purpose? A body that radiates health and energy? See yourself living this dream in vivid detail. What are you doing? How do you feel? The stars twinkle brighter, as if to affirm that this reality is already on its way to you. Now, repeat after me. I am aligned with my highest potential. My dreams are unfolding with ease and grace. I attract positivity, abundance, and joy into my life. As you speak these words, the sky above reflects your belief. The stars shine brighter, the ocean waves hum in harmony, and the entire world seems to affirm your vision. As your journey comes to an end, you return to the boat, gliding effortlessly back to the shore. The ocean feels different now, calm, supportive, and full of promise. You step onto the beach once more, feeling the warmth of the sun and the coolness of the sand. But now you carry something new within you, the light of transformation, the power of positivity, and the vision of your dreams. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself grounding back into the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You have transformed negativity into positivity, and you're ready to create the life you deserve. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. If this meditation resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's inspire positivity and manifest our best lives. Until next time, remember, the light within you can brighten any path.